Welcome to Module 3. In this module, we're going to discuss vTrend. vTrend represents the direction of the trend. Remember, when you trade in the direction of the trend, that's the highest probability trade because you're already going in the direction that price is already moving. So let's go for the background. The trend is going to be represented with a black line that's touching either the bar high or the bar low of the current bar. If the vTrend line is touching the low of the bar, that means the trend is bullish. If the vTrend is touching the high of the bar, that means the trend is bearish. Here's an example with the vTrend line shown on the chart. The vTrend is this black line here that's following price. Remember, if the vTrend is touching the low of the bar, that means the trend is bullish. So in this example here, the trend is bullish, 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 bullish. Even when price is going down, it's still at the bottom of the bar, so the trend is still bullish. The only time it changes is over here. When that black line here touches the high of the bar, the vTrend now is bearish. So in this example here, everything was bullish, and at this point right here, the trend changed to being bearish because the vTrend now is above the price, which is touching the high of the bar. So to summarize, if the black line is touching the low of the bar, the trend is bullish. If the black line is touching the high of the bar, the trend is bearish. Please note, just because the trend is going up, it does not mean price will go up too, because you can have profit taking, or you could start going for a trend reversal. When those things happen, the trend is still in one direction and price is going the other direction. And you could see that from here. In this scenario here, price is going up, 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 and the vTrend is bullish. Here, price is going down and the vTrend is still bullish. So there's different states that can exist, and we will discuss them now. The very first state we're going to discuss is when we're trend trading. In trend trading, you want the V close direction and the vTrend to be in the same direction. When you have that, that means you're trending, complete trending here. Here's an example here. You can see the V closes are going up and the vTrend is below you. That's a perfect situation here to start a trend. And you can see here, V close went down, finally went up. When it went up for the first time, vTrend was in that same direction. It confirmed by having another V close going up, and it continued to go up with the vTrend. This is trend trading, which is the highest probability type of trade. The second type of category we have is what we call profit taking. This is when the V close is going in the opposite direction of the trend. So you could see here, we're trend trading here, then all of a sudden you got a V close that went down. vTrend is bullish. So you could see there was a little profit taking here that occurred. It followed through for a couple of bars. These are all profit taking because the V closes are going down, but the vTrend is bullish. So this is what we call profit taking, is when V close and vTrend are completely opposite. The last state is what we call the trend reversal. And what is happening here is you had a full-blown trend here. You have profit taking that's occurring here. You continued a little buying here for little trend continuation, and then you started going for profit taking. So this is profit taking as long as what the V closes are going down and the vTrend is bullish. Then all of a sudden, boom, over here, you change the direction of the vTrend. Now what's happening is that this went from profit taking, and when this bar occurred, it went into a full-blown trend reversal. It's no longer profit taking, and this is a trend reversal here. A lot of people look for this type of scenario for Fibonacci and so forth. So Fibonacci levels, if you're ever trading Fibonacci with the vIMTF, what you do is if this is at 50% or 61.8% retracement, you always want to make sure that that vTrend is bullish in the direction of the trade that you're trying to take. If it's opposite here, where let's say this was a Fibonacci level here, that is a high probability that Fibonacci level is going to fail because the V trend has completely changed. This is now the end of module 3. If you have any questions, you could post them in the Discord vIMTF chat room. In this module, we discuss vTrend. Once we know what vTrend is, we could use module 2, which is vClose, and the vTrend in together, and we could see exactly what state the instrument's in. Is it into a trending environment? Is it in profit-taking environment? Or has it gone into a full-blown trend reversal? So we could categorize that instrument in any 3 of those different states based on using the combination of vClose along with vTrend.